My name is Mohmad Usmaan, and I'm working as a physiotherapist. And almost around 1 year back, I had many problems in my life. I had gone through many problems, many related to my mental health, my physical health. I'd been through a lot of stress regarding my personal life, my professional life. But during that time, I met one of my friend who's I told him about my problems, and he told me to meet his mother. So when I met his mother, she was herself a Reiki Grandmaster, and she guided me about Reiki. She had given me the first session of Reiki healing, and after that I feel a lot of relaxation, and my stress level is instantly got reduced after that first session. So I talked to her that I want more Reiki sessions or treatments. So she guided me to meet Dr. Bheem Sain Arora. So after talking to her, I met Dr. Arora. I first of all, when I met him around 1 year back, he he first of all he consulted me very well. He listened to my all the problems. He guided me properly through my every problem, my every situation, and he started giving me Reiki treatment. And after few days, when I felt really better in my physical, mental, emotional behaviors, in my ways, in my life, I'm feeling very relaxed. He invited me. I talked to him that I want to attend. I want to learn Reiki, and I really want to become a Reiki healer. So he invited me and told me to attend all the sessions, all the classes. And by one, I had started learning level one. From level one, I had started learning, then level two, three to the Grandmaster level. I learned all the levels, and with every level, my focus level, my concentration level, my working level is really increased. I'm more mentally stable now. After every level, my stability is increased with every step. The mental stability is maintained and is growing. Okay, about my experience in Reiki with every level, increasing level, I cannot explain it in words, but I try to. If I try to that, I say it is something undescribable. You get more comfortable in your body itself. You get relaxed with around surrounding. You can understand the life situations very well. You can easily respond to life with more enthusiasm. After learning the first level itself, I started few healing for few other patients. So after level two, I started given Reiki sessions to my near and dear ones, and they got very much benefit. They get very much benefit from Reiki itself, and they got, like, we are living at very far from our homes, from our Reiki healing centers. So you can get healing even a long distance through distance healing process available in Reiki. I had treated many of my patients through Reiki healing at a very long distance, and they got healed up very quickly and very spontaneously. And even when they call me that their problem is got solved and they are very happy with that, that is the most satisfying thing to know. Reiki really guides you and helps you in meditation. It really increases your level of meditation. It connects you to the Supreme, and that is something that you never get, or instantly and very quickly you never get through any way.
What about the spirituality in the Reiki?
Reiki is really life energy, and it is helpful in every aspect, every emotional, mental, every physical, every spiritual level. Spiritually, Reiki helps you understand what supreme is, what your purpose of life in this world, and that I learned after coming into Reiki. and that much I can say. And I want to say thank you to Dr. Bheem Sain Arora. Thank you, sir, for guiding and giving me Reiki. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.